Hello engineers, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. Today I am going to discuss how to use Cramer's rule to solve two linear equations in two unknowns in a simplified manner. Here we have two linear equations a1x plus b1y equal to c1, that is equation 1, and the second equation is a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Here these two terms a1 a2 are called x coefficients and b1 b2 are called y coefficients and c1 c2 are called constants. Here we have two equations a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So to solve two equations, these two equations by algebraic solution, algebraic substitution, to find x first, let us eliminate y terms by algebraic substitution. That is, to find x, equation 1 will be multiplied by b2 and equation 2 will be multiplied by b1. So this equation 1 will become a1 b2x plus b1 b2y equal to c1 b2. Let us call that equation 3, and equation 2 will become a2 b1x plus b1 b2y equal to c2 b1. Let us call that equation 4. Now let us subtract equation 4 from equation 3. We get a1 b2x plus b1 b2y equal to c1 b2, and this will become minus a2 b1x minus b1 b2y equal to minus c2 b1. And here these two terms get cancelled and x is taken out, so we get x into a1 b2 minus a2 b1 equal to c1 b2 minus c2 b1. So x will be c1 b2 minus c2 b1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Similarly, in order to find y, we need to multiply equation 1 by a2 and equation 2 by a1. And following the similar principle, we get y equal to a1 c2 minus a2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. From previous slide, we have x equal to c1 b2 minus c2 b1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So these terms, numerator and denominator, can be written in the form of determinants as c1 c2 b1 b2, that is numerator, and denominator is a1 a2 b1 b2. Similarly, y can be written as a1 c1 a2 c2, and denominator is same as for x, that is a1 a2 b1 b2. So these two equations a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2 can be written in the determinant form. To find x, we have x equal to c1 b1 c2 b2 divided by a1 b1 a2 b2, and we have seen that in the previous slide. And similarly, y is written as a1 c1 a2 c2 divided by a1 b1 a2 b2. So this form of writing these equations without algebraic substitution is called Cramer's rule. So in the next slide, let us solve a problem. Here in this example, we have a member subjected to load 21 Newton, and at the two ends we have two supports, two reactions F1 and F2, and the equations given are F1 plus F2 equal to 21, that is equation 1. Equation 2 is 2F1 equal to 5F2, that is equation 2. Let us rearrange them. So we have F1 plus F2 equal to 21 and 2F1 minus 5F2 equal to 0. So using Cramer's rule, let us write determinant in the denominator. Determinant in the denominator contains coefficients of f1 and f2. So 1, 1, 2 and minus 5. So in the numerator for f1, we replace f1 coefficients with the constants 21 and 0. And this column we use f2 coefficients, that is 1 and minus 5. So finally the answer will become for F1 equal to 15 Newton. Similarly for F2, denominator is same as the previous one, and now the numerator, this first column contains coefficients of F1, that is 1 and 2, and in the second column we replace coefficients of F2 by constants, that is 21 and 0. So after solving this, we get F2 equal to 6 Newton. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.